Welcome to Genome Software. In this video, we are going to understand the financial statement in Genome Software. The financial statements, there are multiple statements available, and the financial position is available under the financial statement, which is available as part of a business summary. Now, what you can do is you can search on a specific date, and then you will get the details about assets, liabilities, and equity. Then if I click on a specific asset, so I have clicked on cash, here you will get a month-wise summary and then also the chart. If I click on a specific month, I will get the transaction details. You can close from the right corner. You will come back to the monthly summary. You click on a specific summary, then you will get at the details. I click back here and click here. Now if you want to see the details about another asset, so you can follow the same procedure in Genome Software. Alright, and for income also you will get same details here. Okay, so what I can do is, in accounting, let's say I want to make one entry, receipt, and let me add one ledger here. Add in favorite. There is a list of ledgers available here. So income from repair, income on investment, or income from repair. So it's part of indirect income. So I add this here. Now I go in accounting, in journal entry, I say receipt, cash. Let's say I received 1000 here, and income from repair 1000. I make just testing income in financial statement, and for specific date I click save. If I go back to business summary, financial statement, and for today's date I'm going to click income, and here income from repair. If I click here, it will give me for specific month. And let's say I do one more thing, that I go in accounting, journal entry, receipt, now for last month, and cash 500, and income from repair 500, then test 2, I click save. Anything related to the loan or deposit, you don't have to make any entry here, because this is just for any additional accounting you want to do. If I go here in business summary and financial statement and refresh, income from repair, and now you can get the two records. Anything related to the loan, for example, I have created loan number 8, okay, and now I make one transaction of, let's say, 1000, that is for last month, same date. I click, or maybe on in fame, I click receive. Sorry, it will not be visible because the date was incorrect. I click, let's say, into file 4, so I click receive. Now if I go business summary, financial statement, income, then interest received, and then it will tell me the interest received for paid is this much interest received. Okay, so for loan and deposit is automatically captured, all the accounting, whereas for any other accounting need, you can follow this thing. And obviously in financial statement you can do all the analysis of your ledgers and accountings. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.